What's up, Geeks 4x4? Today we are going to do a rig walk around of a Lexus. I know, a Lexus on a 4x4 channel, but guess what? It's four-wheel drive and it's going to be an Overlander. So stay tuned, watch the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty, so why did you buy this as an Overland rig?
We wanted something that had the power to tow, and this has the 5.7 liter engine in it, so it'll handle up to 8,500 pounds, and that's a pretty decent sized trailer if we decide to do any overlanding.
And what exactly is it for the people that don't know?
It's a 2009 Lexus LX570. So basically it's a Land Cruiser in a tuxedo.
I like the Land Cruiser in a tuxedo. So what are the plans?
Get better tires. I'm on a waiting list for sliders. They've got a 16-month wait list on them. So it's going to take a while. Eventually a rear bumper with the tire carrier and probably some jerry cans, because this thing gets a really crappy gas mileage. And maybe eventually a front bumper with a winch, or possibly just a hidden winch mount. And we're still debating on whether we want to do a rooftop tent or a trailer, or what route we want to take with it. So we're just going to play with it, take it out, use it, and see where we want to go from there.
And then explain really quick, so people are going to see it's sitting really low right now and doesn't have great ground clearance. But what does it do that's super cool?
This is in the egress mode, so when you shut off the vehicle, you can have it lower so it's easier to get out. But this has a full hydraulic system built into it. So once you turn it on, it raises up to a normal level, and you've got a control inside that you can lift it a little bit higher. When you're driving down the highway, when it hits about 50 miles an hour, it'll lower about an inch to have better aerodynamics. And then when you're off-road, when it's in 4 low, if it senses that the road's a little rocky, it will automatically lift 3 inches. So from the lowest point to the highest point, it's about a 5.5 inch lift, and it's all automatic.
Alrighty, cool. Well, we did this. We just wanted to show that he's out here, he's wheeling. It's very stock right now. He's trying to figure out what he wants to do, and he's out here. So we're just excited to have people like this around. Just want to say thanks for watching today. I did this video because I wanted to show that if you have a four-wheel drive, it doesn't need to be fully modified to get out there and have fun. This guy was at Winter 4x4 Jamboree. He was running 2 and 3 rated trails with no issues, with stock street tires and stock suspension on this thing. It was really neat to see, and I'm excited to catch up with them. I hope I'm going to catch up with them soon and see what they're doing with that build. If I do, I'll do an update video. But that build's going to be really neat. It's kind of a luxury cruiser, but man, it is going to be really cool to be in the middle of nowhere in a luxury cruiser. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, merch down below. Links down below to merch. Check it out. Have a great day.